There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. There it goes. Alive. Sushi. There it is, that's dinner.
I only got the tail end of it, but he snagged a fish. Sitting on that decoy, nailed a fish, and then swallowed it all the way down its gullet with its...
Now some water.
Oh, now he got a little water to wash it down.
Look at that.
Interesting. Another sip of water. This is wildlife here at Windmore in Coconut Creek, Florida. That's pretty cool. He caught that fish and he just gobbled it down.
Yeah. He flipped it around to make sure it head first, and he went right down. I just think it's flopping somewhere in the stomach right now. That was alive.
Yeah, that's true.